With the ability to penetrate deep into the forest, these modern machines not only increase productivity, but also reduce the time needed to bring wood to the processing plant, saving time and money. Let's follow the powerful performance of these advanced machines. Introducing the Ergo 8W with the C5H8 harvesting head. This is a great combination for processing large aspen trees. With the powerful 286 horsepower motor, it efficiently handles the largest types of wood. I need to reach 1,500 subscribers. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. We will mention you in the next video for thanks. With a powerful 286 horsepower engine and impressive lifting capacity, the Ponce Ergo 8W with a C5H8 harvesting head processes oak wood efficiently, ensuring precise and fast processing of the oak trees. The Stihl MS661C and Stihl MS500i are two formidable chainsaws for parole, perfect for heavy-duty cutting jobs. Boasting the ability to cut diameters up to 30 inches, the Ponce Ergo 8W C5H8 ensures precise and efficient processing of white oak, making it the ideal choice for forestry operations. The Stihl 500i chainsaw is a versatile tool. It is used for moving large spruce trees in tight spaces. With its compact design, the Stihl 500i easily handles trees up to 36 inches. The Ecolog 688E is equipped with a Longmax 6000 harvesting head. This is a powerful machine that offers the perfect combination of efficiency and precision, capable of handling large plants with ease. This is a close-up of the perfect combination between the operator and the Ponce Ergo 6W machine. It uses its H7 harvesting head and turns the forest into a symphony. With a powerful 210 horsepower engine, it excels at logging with the ability to cut up to 26 inches in diameter. From a panoramic perspective, the Ponce Ergo with a H7 crane and C44 plus handling head is a dynamic duo for forestry operations. With a powerful 286 horsepower engine and precise head and crane controls, it ensures efficient logging and wood processing. With a durable chain and powerful motor, the chainsaw stump cutter effectively cuts through the thick tree trunks with great cutting power that measures 48 inches in diameter, ensuring precise and efficient removal of With a powerful motor and precise cutting mechanism, the Struggle Straw 5080 handles hardwoods with ease. Boasting the ability to cut up to 12 inches in diameter, ensures efficient and precise cutting. The Silvertech 455 deliming harvester is an advanced revolutionary machine in wood exploitation. Boasting an impressive yield rate of up to 0.5 of an acre per hour. Leading the field in forestry exploitation, with modern equipment and advanced technology, this giant machine ensures efficient and time-saving tree cutting. The John Deere 703 is a powerful machine in forestry operations, boasting a production capacity of up to 40 tonnes per hour. This tasks. This machine is a compact yet powerful tool for precision cutting jobs. The Husqvarna T435 chainsaw has a compact design and convenient features, providing precise and easy maneuverability and control. The Stihl MS661C chainsaw is equipped with a 28-inch bar with advanced chain technology. It easily tackles large-scale cutting jobs with ease, delivering exceptional cutting power. With a displacement of approximately 76.5 cc, the Stihl 046AV delivers formidable cutting power, making it ideal for demanding forestry and logging applications. After large-scale forest exploitation, this advanced machine plays an important role in grinding large tree stumps with precision and speed. .590D is a powerful machine in the forestry industry. With advanced technology and sturdy construction, it can handle large diameter trees. It was surprising with the ability of this advanced machine to handle towering trees accurately and easily. With a powerful engine and precise cutting capabilities, the Rotney H21D is equipped with the Logmax 7000C. It is proud to be a productivity-enhancing solution for forestry operations. Equipped with advanced technology, the Sampo HR86 can tackle the most demanding jobs with ease, delivering impressive yields of up to 100 cubic meters per hour. This heavy-duty machine is renowned for its raw power and precision, capable of felling even the largest trees with ease, with a cutting capacity of overhandle the toughest logging challenges. Enter the heart of the Maine wilderness with the John Deere 753J tree harvester. with an extended reach of more than 30 feet and the ability to cut trees up to 30 inches in diameter. The 753J is the ultimate tool for efficient forestry practices. With its rugged design to handle trees up to 60 centimeters in diameter, ensuring efficiency and productivity in any logging operation. Kessler 28RH combined with the EcoLog 590D is a dynamic duo in the forestry world. With an impressive reach of up to 9 meters and a lifting capacity of 2,800 kilograms, the Kessler 28RH offers unprecedented versatility and efficiency in wood handling. And rugged construction, the Waratah 622 delivers unprecedented performance and reliability in harvesting operations, ensuring efficient wood processing with precision and speed. The Timber Pro TN735D with the JP Skidmore CF22 fixed head is a dynamic duo that redefines efficiency in forestry operations. Of handling large woods with ease. Boasting a displacement of 79.2 cc and 6.8 horsepower, the MS500i chainsaw is designed to take on the toughest cutting jobs with ease. Do these exciting moments satisfy you? Please leave a comment to let us know which device you like the best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest videos. See you again in the next video.